new Mercedes-Benz EQA is the entry in our all-electric world. This is our way of looking at urban mobility. It is luxurious electromobility. With the new EQA, we take the lead in electric in terms of battery capacity, aerodynamics, thermal management, efficiency, intelligent navigation and different recuperation levels. The first model due out is our EQA 250 with front-wheel drive and 140 kilowatts on tap. In the EQA, we have integrated a double-deck lithium-ion battery in the car floor, along with extensive crash protection. The battery has an energy content of 66.5 kilowatt hours. Even charging is easy and comfortable. You can choose between AC and DC charging. And with DC, you can go from 10% to 80% capacity in only 30 minutes. With Mercedes Me Charge, you can get convenient access to charging points from various providers and an integrated payment function with simple billing. With green charging, an integrated feature of Mercedes Me Charge, you get CO2 neutral charging at 175,000 public charging points throughout Europe, starting early this year.
Here you can see the EQA equipped as Edition 1. The first eye-catcher is obviously the completely closed black panel grille with the central star. With the connecting light band at the front and the integrated LED headlamps, we continue the EQ design language. As a special highlight, we integrated a blue stripe into the headlamps. Moving to the side of the vehicle, you can see this car is equipped with 20-inch wheels colored in copper. If you ask me, that looks pretty cool. Following the design to the back of the car, you can see this strong muscle above the rear wheel. That underlines the overall athletic and self-confident appearance of the car. The back is a highlight by itself. The rear lamps merge seamlessly into the connecting light band. That ensures a high recognition day and night, and the car says, "I am an electric Mercedes" from any angle. Another highlight at the back is the implied diffuser. As an element of the AMG line, it completes the overall sporty appearance of the car. The electric character can be recognized in the interior as well. We see completely new designed perforated leather seats where blue fabric shines through. Dominant element in the driver's perspective is obviously the freestanding display unit with two 10.25-inch displays. On the passenger side, we have another highlight, the backlit trim part. Actually, this is the first time we offer a backlit trim part in a Mercedes model, and especially during night, that looks really cool. A great feature to ease range anxiety is navigation with electric intelligence, calculating the fastest route to your destination. That includes charging times and stops, as well as other factors like topography and weather. The EQA offers a wide range of safety and assistance systems. So basically, the car reacts if the driver doesn't. Active lane keeping assist and extended active brake assist are standard. So the car can brake autonomously for pedestrians and stationary objects. To further maximize the range, efficiency was a focus of our thermal architecture. Waste heat from the battery can be used to heat the cabin thanks to a standard heat pump. That reduces need for battery power and of course increases the range. The EQA can also cool the interior with pre-air conditioning. That can be operated via the MBUX infotainment system or via the Mercedes Me app. This model here, the EQA 250, offers more than 420 kilometers according to WLTP. And for those of you who want even more range, there will be a version available with more than 500 kilometers in the future. With 140 kilowatt on tap, the EQA delivers solid performance for a compact car and guarantees driving pleasure. To max that out, we will also offer 4x4 versions with more than 200 kilowatts soon. Thanks to intelligent technical solutions, the EQA offers a high standard of comfort. Just take the sophisticated thermal management system, for example. With the standard heat pump, it helps to maximize the range. It also allows for preconditioning before starting via MBUX or the Mercedes Me app. But there is more. The electric drive has been decoupled from the chassis and bodywork. This means passengers hardly feel any vibrations from the electric motor. But what is as important as comfort in our digital world today? Right, convenience. And we offer this through a high level of digitalization. Starting the charging of your car with the fingertip is just one of many examples. And with our new green charging service, a feature of Mercedes Me Charge, we compensate 100% with green power after the actual charging process at 175,000 charging points throughout Europe. Finally, design. It makes a bold statement in its appearance. On the outside, electro-aesthetic design represents progressive luxury. Take, for example, the light strips, both front and rear, which give the car an unmistakable look. Check out this beautiful back. On the inside, you get small but subtle hints of electric character throughout. And with the high and upright seating position, it's not only comfortable, but offers good all-around visibility. Now, what's your take?
3 things you need to know about the comfort of the new EQA. First, even the base model comes standard with LED high-performance headlamps with adaptive high beam assist for clear visibility in any situation. Second, the EQA's MBUX navigation is packed with electric intelligence, providing you with the best routes and showing all charging options, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Third, you can adapt the EQA's ambient lighting in 64 colors to any of your moods and more. 3 things you need to know about the first fully electric member of the Mercedes-Benz compact car family, the new EQA. First, a very helpful feature to ease your daily use is navigation with electric intelligence. It calculates the fastest route to your destination, taking into account charging stops and charging times, as well as other factors such as topography and weather. Second, the battery sits in a frame made of extruded profiles. A battery protection shield protects the front of the unit. Strict safety standards apply to the battery and all high-voltage electric components. Third, an integrated feature of Mercedes Me Charge is green charging. You get carbon-neutral charging at 175,000 public charging points throughout Europe, starting in the beginning of 2021. 3 things you need to know about the interior of the new EQA, which offers an attractive mix of elegance, quality, and functionality. First, in the Edition 1, a blue air guide ring frames the air vents in silver shadow. Backlit trim and blue lines accent the air vents and seats. Second, in the EQA Edition 1, the seats have been given a particularly elaborate design. It has perforated leather in Neva Gray using a unique CyberCut technology so that the blue backing shines through. Third, the dominant element on the driver's side is a freestanding display unit with 2 10.25-inch screens, 26 centimeters. The interior of our new EQA offers electric mobility with unique design, state-of-the-art technologies, and high quality in shape and materials.